In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate QuickBooks to create an estimate. By the end of this guide, you'll be comfortable with generating an estimate, an essential step for managing your business's financials efficiently. So let's jump right in. The first thing you need to do is head to the QuickBooks homepage. If you're not already there, open your browser and go to the QuickBooks website. You'll need to log in if you haven't done so already. Once you're on the homepage, you'll see a navigation pane on the left, and this is your control center for all things QuickBooks. The next step is to find the Sales option on this navigation pane. Click on Sales, and this will take you to a page dedicated to all of your sales activities. Here, you can manage things like invoices, payments, and more. But for today, we're going to focus on estimates. Estimates are crucial for providing your clients with a quote for your services or products before proceeding with any transactions. This not only helps you look professional, but also provides clarity and sets expectations with your clients right from the start. Now, once you're in the Sales section, you'll need to look for the Estimates tab. Click on this tab and it will show you a list of all previous estimates that you've created. If it's your first time here, this list may be empty, which is perfectly fine. The Estimates feature is particularly useful for businesses that need to provide detailed quotes to customers without committing to a sale just yet. It allows for flexibility and adjustment before finalizing any contracts or agreements. Moving forward, you'll want to create a new estimate. Look for the Create Estimate button on this page. Clicking this option will open up a new estimate form. Here, you'll be entering all the details that your client needs to know, such as items, quantities, prices, and any specifics that would influence the final cost. Take your time filling out this information, as accuracy is key. This is where your client will get a transparent view of potential costs and services involved. Remember to include any terms and conditions related to this estimate so that both you and your client are on the same page. Before finalizing your estimate, double-check each entry for accuracy. Once everything is correct, you can either save it as a draft, if you're waiting for further confirmation, or send it directly to your client. This will ensure that you and your client have a clear, mutual understanding of the projected work and associated costs, making future transactions smoother. And there you have it. That's how you create an estimate using QuickBooks. By following these steps, you'll be able to offer precise and professional quotes, helping you build trust and clarity with your clients. Thanks for watching and happy estimating.